I'm currently in my dining room at college, and today I'm going to be filming vlog speaking English at college. I'm English learner, I'm from Russia. This vlog is gonna be helpful for me to improve speaking and for you obviously, because you might learn some new vocabulary what I will apply. You can improve your listening and just have a fun time, have a good time with me. It's by the way my last week at college before winter break, so we're gonna have today our final exam the very morning at my dormitory room, bro. Yo, good morning, it's our morning dormitory, welcome back, and we are finally back. Yeah, three of us. Yo, with the brandly new learning English vlog, bro. It's morning and it's final week at university, so we got many things going on. Now we got some kind of breakfast. They eating like salad, water, pancakes, right? And just watching anime in Russian language. So it's currently maybe like 11 or 12. Today we got only one class. Gonna be like final test. Oh, I'm gonna see right here. It's gonna be final test today at university. We're preparing a little bit, but it's not actually so important. And yesterday in the evening we got like dinner party a little bit. We were eating pizza. Take a look at this, bro. Hold on. We got like pizza boxes. It's a cardboard made from a cardboard. We put up a chemistry table in our wall, so we got 3 flags right now and chemistry table with some elements. But I haven't eaten breakfast today yet, so I need to go to grocery store, do some shopping, and then we're gonna move on and go to college and make some tour around our campus, because we got many things decorated there like for Christmas, so it's gonna be really beautiful. That's crazy, bro. Nah. Right, I bought myself a little bit of breakfast, like rolls. I'm not sure about quality of this product because it costs really like a little money, and I don't know, maybe I will get poisoned, but I hope I will not. And a little bit of cookie with different type, 2 types of cookie with the orange jelly inside, and just classic dry cookie, I don't know. Well, yeah, let's get some breakfast and go to pass the test, the final test. Yeah, by the way, bro, how to prepare for the finals? Yo, bro, they, I swear to God, they hypnotized. They just hypnotized. They don't feel the reality at all, bro. That's funny, I don't know. And right, real life tips how to prepare for your final successfully, not to get overwhelmed, how to build a system just to stay focused and just not to get tired, and you will pass finals successfully. You will stay productive all the time. Listen, first thing first, you have to eat food, any food you want. Like yesterday we were eating pizza, today I'm eating rolls, and yeah, just eat food because you need energy. Second step, you have to watch movies, anime, anything you want, anything you like, just to chill and not to get tired in your mental health. Mental health is the first thing what's important. Next step is you have to go for a walk, a party with your friends all night. It's also about mental health, about your life. And the last one is physical exercises. I'm not gonna lie, physical exercises, but yeah, 5 steps how to pass exams.
Ты купил роллы?
Да.
Нормально.
Damn!
Okay.
Alright, we are outside waiting for a bus, and take a look at this, bro. We got snow finally. Yeah, winter is here and it's snowing, it's freezing. My face is red because it's windy. Generally, yeah, real winter, bro. Full of snow. Right, here at university because it's freaking cold outside. Alright, look, bro, that's my campus, and right now I will try to pass the exam. Wow, whatever, that's so beautiful outside. Look at this, bro. Look at this street. Finally, we got sun and we see blue sky. Wow, that's so beautiful street, but it's windy, I'm going to be honest. Oh my God, so windy. Okay, let's go. Let's get inside. Everybody's preparing, everybody's kind of nervous. We got pen, extra pen, piece of paper, right? And let's go, bro. We in the very end of all this classroom. Well, all right, I finished my exam. I hope I passed it successfully, bro. It wasn't actually so difficult, pretty alright. My level of knowledge, to be honest. And today I ain't got no classes anymore. That's brilliant, bro. Let's go to, first thing first, let's go inside this building. Wow, it's decorated. We got lights and we got some kind of artificial spruce hanging here. And revolving door. It's called revolving door. It looks so good. Wow, this tree is illuminated. And we got huge Christmas tree, bro. Many students, I don't know, they're celebrating probably. They got gifts. Yo. And we got huge lounge zone with green lights, with the golden lights. Is hanging right here. By the way, exactly in this place we're going to be having speaking club today. But I'm going to upload our speaking club as a separate video, not in this vlog, but in the next one. It's gonna be really cool, dedicated to a New Year theme. Yeah, just hanging out with my friends. And in general, what else we got here, except our brilliant Christmas tree? Yeah, we got one library, really huge library with books, with the shelves, shelf to put a book. And we got cafeteria as well. Look at this shelf. It's called a shelf for books. Yeah, we got some kind of coffee shop where we can purchase a coffee, buy some snacks, and just chill between classes. You feel me? People been working right here and studying. I don't know. I don't want to go inside because it's gonna be kinda. It's supposed to be quiet in there, but I'm speaking. Not feeling comfortable a little bit, to be honest. Look at this huge white circle as a ceiling, just decoration. By the way, if you stand right here in the middle of the circle, you will make echo. Can you hear that? My voice is like reflecting and deflection from the ceiling. So we got red piano, we can play piano, screen, and we also have second floor. By the way, Ian, let's go upstairs. Right now I'm going upstairs. I can also go downstairs if I change the direction, but I will go upstairs to show you something up there. I don't know what you can see there. It's like a handrail and stairs, and it's like a mirror. It's made from mirror. Oh my goodness. Blue illumination. Our logo. It's a logo of our university. The name of our university. And kind of map. It's a map for mopping, for cleaning the floor. Absolutely great. And this kind of equipment, I don't know, for making a video, it's like a stage. We got stairs, and here we got kind of museum. The museum with the famous people, famous scientists. Yeah, their faces, their hats. In general, we don't have anything interesting here except like clock room, to put a jacket there, like clock room, and that's it. It's mostly like a renovation zone. So I wanna suggest you to go somewhere to take a seat. Yeah, let's go to our dining room. By the way, this girl is playing piano right now. Sounds beautiful. Wow, I'm in our dining room. And look at this, we got small local Christmas tree with the gifts. These are gifts, and it's decorated so good, like also bubbles, everywhere like spruce and different things. And where can I take a seat? Oh, we got huge supply of food, huge supply, huge delivery of food. We got orange and like bakery there. Well, in general, I don't know. I'm not actually hungry, so this is our assortment of food, like a huge counter, and you can pick anything you want. Obviously, you're supposed to pay for this, but it costs not too much. Look at this. We have several Santa Claus. It's like Santa, and Santa is climbing a hanging ladder, right? He's like climbing, boom, boom, boom. And he got a bag with gifts on his back. I'm going to be just sitting here and chilling. I put my phone like this. Yeah, wow, it looks amazing. By the way, good location for making a podcast, right? And right now I have like 30 minutes till my speaking club. So it's going to be a last week at college. After this week, I'm gonna go back to my hometown, to my village, and spend like 1 week there, just being with my parents, being with my family, I don't know, see my friends. It's not steady, by the way. It's not steady. I use just salt shaker and pepper shaker. Yeah, I hope you also passing your exam successfully. And happy Christmas, definitely everyone, bro. Happy Halloween. Not Halloween. Why did I say Halloween, bro? Halloween is gone already. Happy New Year. Yes, it's a new year. I can claim that 2025 was the best year of my life. It was just the best, awesome year, bro. I hope you also feel the same. It was just fantastic, bro. I feel like 2026 is gonna be even better. And we got ambitious, we got goals, what we're supposed to achieve. We got system and routine, bro. Yeah. So 2025, let's talk a little bit about this year, about my last year, and before going to speaking club, it's gonna be like time where we're sitting just alone and talking, right? Because going there, we're gonna meet many people, many friends from all over the world. It's gonna be super funny. But right now, let's a little bit talk privately, you know. Well, what did we achieve in 2025? 100 speaking days challenge, English, bro. Many of you guys took this challenge, and we've been doing it. We've been speaking English really actively, trying to speak not only passive learning but active learning. 100 day speaking challenge is done. Me personally, I took the exam, Duolingo English test, B2 level. It was in summer, like half a year ago, B2 level. Right now, maybe I have C1 level. But in general, trying to implement English into my daily routine as more as possible, even though I live in Russia, bro, and I speak Russian mostly during the day. So what else did we achieve? Still studying at college here, still trying to mix my studying routine at college with doing YouTube videos, making videos, learning English with a kind of job, but I don't actually earn money from this YouTube channel yet at all, because I'm not monetized here, bro. But in general, I think I'm going to get some brand deals, yeah. And yeah, this is the first year of my channel, by the way, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. And we got 23.5 thousand subs currently. While I'll film this video, I got 23.4 or 5 thousand. That's fantastic, because a year ago, this channel did not exist at all. This community of people will learn English here, we practice. It didn't exist, bro. So even in one just year, staying consistent, posting videos, and we see some results, yeah? This kind of talking, this kind of vlog. Happy to be here, happy to study in Moscow, happy to have this channel, happy to speak English. I'm going to finish this vlog right now. Thank you so much. Please take a look at the next vlog from our speaking club. It's gonna be more energetic, it's gonna be funny, meet new people. speak English practice, and it's gonna be useful for you because you can answer all our questions just by yourself and practice your own speaking. I hope you learned something new from this vlog. Thank you. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you, bro. Oh my god. Bye bye.